how to recover deleted timeline on Google Maps. I'm going to tell you how to recover a deleted timeline on Google Maps. Unfortunately, once your timeline data is permanently deleted, it cannot be restored. However, if you only lost your history due to a sync issue or accidental sign out, you can try a few steps. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, and then go to Google Maps, your timeline, and check if your history is still available. If not, visit Google Takeout to download a backup of your location history if you had previously saved it. Also, check Google Activity to see if location tracking is still enabled. If your history was recently removed, Google may still have cached data, so checking your account settings and backups might help recover some of your past locations.